Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the area so the wax will stick. Cleanse with an alcohol wipe and dry thoroughly. Once done, test a small amount on your inner wrist for 10 minutes to check sensitivity. This prevents burns or irritation. Now warm a pea-size amount between your fingers or on a low-heat warmer until pliable, not runny, and apply a thin layer in the direction of hair growth. Make sure to use an applicator for precision along the hairline. You continue by sculpting small sections. Apply thin layers in the direction of hair growth so you can control removal. Once applied, lightly smooth with the applicator and use a fine-tooth comb or toothbrush to position short hairs. This helps the wax grip evenly. Make sure to hold the surrounding skin taut with your free hand to reduce pulling. After 15 to 30 seconds when the wax firms, press and flick or peel according to product instructions. Short, decisive motion. You finish by removing any residue. Apply an oil-based remover or coconut oil, rubbing gently until the wax dissolves, and then soothe the area with aloe or a cooling gel. This reduces redness. Once done, avoid heat or heavy exercise for 24 hours to prevent inflammation. If a patch peels unevenly, rewarm and reapply a very thin amount rather than ripping. This prevents tearing and irritation. If persistent pain or blistering occurs, stop immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.